Yeah. You ever feel trapped without walls around you? Like your body free, but your mind still locked. Invisible chains, they don't clink like metal. You can't see them, but they heavier than iron. Some people chain to fear, some chain to money, some chain to love, some chain to memories they can't bury. We walk through life smiling, acting alive, while something inside us slowly dies. The system got chains, the streets got chains, trauma got chains, even success got chains. And the crazy part, most people don't even know they wearing it. Every scar, every lie, every sleepless night, another link added to the song. But tonight, we talking about breaking them. Mama said, boy, keep your head when the world cold. Pain in my bloodstream, heart made of charcoal. Smile for the cameras while my soul in the dark hole. Freedom got a price and they tax every lost soul. Invisible cuffs when I walk through the night, like dreams in the cage while I'm chasing the spotlight. Friends turn ghosts when the cash hit the eyesight. Love feel fake when affection got a price tag. Mind in the prison, no bars, just anxiety. Fighting my demons in silence and sobriety. Everybody preach peace, but move with hypocrisy. Chains on the spirit, disguises society. Trying to break free, but the fear keep attaching me. Mirror on the wall, got a stranger looking back at me. God gave me wings, but the trauma keep cracking on. Still I rise up every time life collapse on me. Invisible chains, I feel them on my soul, cutting through my spirit, but they never show. Smiling in the daylight, but I'm losing control. Trying to find freedom on a broken road. Invisible chains, yeah, they hold me tight. Whisper in my mind every single night. I keep on fighting, but it don't feel right. Still I'm reaching for the light. Invisible chains, I won't let them win. Every scar I carry, turn it into skin. One day I break it, I don't know when, but I won't stay locked with. City full of wolves and they dressed in designer. Everybody hungry, everybody want the fight. Shorty want attention, influencers want followers. Politicians sell lies while the poor build their empire. Addicted to the screen, out of mind in captivity. Scrolling every night, killing dreams and creativity. Validation got us begging for visibility. Digital slavery sold its connectivity. Brothers in the system lose years in confinement. Kids grow numb, hearing sirens and violence. Broken households turn rage into giants. Now revenge talk louder than moments of silence. I done seen rich men chained to they greed to. Gold around their neck, but inside they see through. Money can't heal what the pain really been through. Some chains invisible till they finally end you. Invisible chains, I feel them on my soul, cutting through my spirit, but they never show. Smiling in the daylight, but I'm losing control. Trying to find freedom on a broken road. Invisible chains, yeah, they hold me tight. Whisper in my mind every single night. I keep on fighting, but it don't feel right. Still I'm reaching for the light. Invisible chains, I won't let them win. Every scar I carry, turn it into skin. One day I'll break it, I don't know when, but I won't stay locked. Now I'm talking to myself in the middle of the midnight, trying to make peace with the child that I left behind. All of them scars turn lessons over lifetime. Every broken memory became part of my lifeline. Had to learn strength, ain't always in aggression. Sometimes real power live inside confession. Crying ain't weakness, that's human expression. Yeah, healing take faith, not perfection. Not cut off hate, now my soul breathes better. Storms still come, but I don't freeze under pressure. Chains still there, but they don't hold forever. Every lost king can rebuild from the weather. If you hear this while you drown in your sorrow, keep fighting tonight, there's a sun for tomorrow. Freedom start first when you face what you borrow. Invisible chains break one link at a time, though. Can you hear me? All these walls inside me. I've been searching for freedom, but the prison was inside me. Inside invisible chains, I feel them on my soul, cutting through my spirit, but they never show. Smiling in the daylight, but I'm losing control. Trying to find freedom on a broken road. Invisible chains, yeah, they hold me tight. Whisper in my mind every single night. I keep on fighting, but it don't feel right. Still I'm reaching for the light. Invisible chains, I won't let them win. Every scar I carry, turn it into skin. One day I'll break it, I don't know when, but I won't stay locked within. Yeah. Invisible chains. Sometimes you don't break them in one night. Sometimes the pain too deep, the scars too old, the weight too heavy, and that's okay. Cause every chain got a beginning, which means every chain got an end too. Maybe today you still feel trapped, still drown